Test our understanding for this mini game is evolutionary. There's glory in winter together, even if the minimal program likes to pick everything up a notch on a few selected courses for appetite. You'll likely play 3 courses on a quick turn, leading to more desire for getting a higher score on the individual athlete's roster. He faces Mr. Chip, a C64 game of this nature. Resembles a cheap product that you'll end up lacking for the in-depth gameplay. On average, I've gotten over 400 points in gate skiing, jump skiing, and hardcore skiing. A few courses are really all that's needed to the original publisher of the program, despite the fact it goes quickly and turns out to be the exact opposite of long stretch RPGs. Everything just happens so quickly, so immediately. Elf Bowling on the Nintendo DS has a similar fate. That is, one gallon is needed, and then you're done. The skiing controls on the first and third rounds are terrific, even if the third round will be the mastermind's end rather than a beginner's choice. Quite simply, Olympic skier acts as a joke with the dumb music, the dumb injuries, the dumb circumstances, the dumb rescue chopper, and so on. From what I hear, this program has been a thing of nostalgia to Commodore 64 fans, with plenty of reasons for justification proven in the 80s style of simplicity. Games like Olympic Skier fill the lines of humor for a Nickelodeon of sorts, in which high-end graphics display a ridiculous situation of a type in all its glory, like the old classic baseball song called Take Me Out to the Ball Game, a remarkable comparison to Radar at the Race. The difference, however, between Olympic Skier and Radar at the Race is the first runs smoothly without hiccups of any sorts and doesn't fall on entertainment, while the second resembles a nightmare I want to take care of better. In fact, controls with the Atari 2600 joystick stick for RRR, Radar at Race, whereas Olympic Skier knows how to cough up the gold with no garbage involved. Really, getting a mouse's cheese while the black cat never crosses my path? The jump skiing is remarkable, although I must say, use of whatever kind of turbo fire would be cheating in large degrees, because the fire button is supposed to represent a skier's effort at physical motion. Not only that, but the fire to motion method works surprisingly well, and my gold 2600 joystick handles a lot of winter with care, tilting the joystick up for reaching the ultimate skies before landing him down by the joystick's lower tilt. Money, money, money. The price is right for what you'll get. Music is rich and alluring. Green trees reflect the TV's light well. Rocks and boulders have roughness and texture to their beauty, and overall, this Olympic game is an absolute short burst of fun at the right cost.